Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are making allam pachadi, a tangy and spicy ginger chutney that's perfect with idli, dosa or even paratha. Let's get started. We'll begin with our key ingredient, fresh mature ginger. It's been washed and air dried. We'll peel off the outer skin and then chop it into small pieces like this. This makes it easier to grind later on. Next, we'll prepare the tamarind. We'll soak it in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes until it softens. Then we'll squeeze out the pulp, strain it to remove any seeds or fibers, and set it aside. Our third ingredient is jaggery. We'll chop it into small pieces like this. This makes it easier to blend smoothly with the ginger later on. Now these are the spices and dals that will elevate our pachadi. Chana dal, methi seeds, urad dal, jeera, dhania and garlic. Heat a bit of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chana dal and stir it for few seconds until it begins to turn light golden color. Now add the urad dal and keep it stirring. You'll notice it gradually changing the color and releasing a wonderful aroma. Once it's nicely fragrant, add the dhania and methi seeds. Stir them continuously as they can burn easily. When you can smell their nice aroma, it's time to take it out from the pan. We'll add a bit more oil to the same pan. Now add the ginger pieces. We'll keep the heat low and fry the ginger for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it softens and turns into light golden brown. Next, we'll add the red chilies and stir for a few seconds just to awaken the flavor. Now we'll switch off the heat and let everything cool down completely before we move on to the grinding. First, grind these roasted spices into a fine powder. Next, we'll blend the ginger with the rest of our ingredients. We'll add the fried ginger, garlic cloves, our freshly ground spice powder, jaggery and the tamarind pulp to the blender. We'll blend everything until it transforms into a smooth paste. Now remember to taste as you blend. The beauty of allam pachadi is that you can customize it to your liking. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more jaggery. For a tangier kick, add more tamarind pulp. Finally, the tadka that brings everything together. Heat a good amount of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the crushed garlic cloves and fry them for just a few seconds. Then add the chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, dry red chilies, a pinch of hing, and curry leaves. Fry them for about a minute, stirring frequently until the dal turns a beautiful golden brown and the curry leaves become crisp. Reduce the heat to low and add jeera. Add the allam pachadi, mix well and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to mingle and deepen. Our allam pachadi is now complete. Enjoy it with dosa, idli or paratha. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.